Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing these guys right here. So these are pretty simple cables, however they're good because they have 4K 3D and they're 6 feet, so that's pretty much what most of you need. Other than that, around the box itself, well, the packaging itself, that's all the information you gotta see. There's not much on these cables, so we're just gonna take them out. So I'm just gonna break it open from the side. I find that it's the easiest way to get these things out. Okay, so here are the cables. I'm gonna take these things off because we're gonna plug them in. And really, these cables, usually it's okay to get braided. Braided, it's not a must. It's not like they last a lot longer. From my experience with braided, it's sometimes better, sometimes worse, sometimes the same. So it does depend what brand you guys get, really. Now, from what I can tell you about these cables, that they feel okay. They actually feel really well. They feel heavy duty. So I like that. When it comes down to cables, I want them to be heavy duty so they last. So here's a close-up shot. That's how it looks like. It's just your standard HDMI. It is 4K and 3D. We're gonna test it out. That's gonna be in the review. Now sure, it does feel kind of weird doing an unboxing of cables because you're just looking at the cables, but it's kind of useful. I see why, because you guys get to see exactly the texture and how thick they feel. I can tell you that they feel good. They feel like pretty good, like they're gonna last. They don't feel flimsy or anything like that. So I expect these to be good. We're gonna test them out in the review video. That's where you guys are gonna see if they lasted or not. That usually comes out a few months after or a few weeks, depending on the product. Now, like I mentioned, these cables, they feel fine. They don't look flimsy. It doesn't look like this will come off easy. They are long enough for what I need, but it all depends on your circumstances. For me, this will be long enough, more than long enough. Anyways, this was a really quick unboxing. Hopefully you guys got a quick glimpse at these cables, how they look like. I can tell you they feel okay. That's about it for an unboxing. It's kind of weird to do, again, an unboxing of cables because I'm just gonna plug them in. I'm gonna test them out. That's gonna be in the review. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.